Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back here at Leonardo Hotel here in Aberdeen, UK. So bali ito po at nakapagpahinga po ang lahat at nakapag-enjoy and we have already done with our breakfast. At ito bali hinintay na lang po natin ang lahat na bumaba from their respective room, then lalakarin na lang namin from our hotel going to the Aberdeen International Airport. It's just a stone throw from our location. So bali lahat, all sets na po ang lahat at ready na. It's like the song, it's like singing that all my bags are packed and ready to go. So ganun din po yung lahat, mga kasamahan ko, lahat ng mga bagahe nila ready na lang, and we are ready to leave the hotel premises and going to the airport para sa check-in. Yung flight po namin is around 11 o'clock, and bali ang next connecting flight namin is nasa 1900 pa. So we had plenty of time kasi darating kami ng Netherlands is around 1300. So we have some kind of enough or ample time para magpasyal-pasyal doon or whatever things that they decided or we decided to do while in the airport, o mamasyal-masyal, mag-window shopping, or kung mamimili, that if they have some enough cash or kung mayroon man silang mga perang nakas-advance or they have some kind of a credit card. So ito po ang view dito sa my hotel namin, dito sa my hotel, Leonardo Hotel. So yan ay kinunan ko na lang, and that is the view from our hotel premises. So yan sa outside, that's the way is going to the airport. Lalakarin na lang namin yan. So yan yung parking area, at saka yan yung harapan ng yan po yung harapan ng hotel namin. So ang pangalan po ng hotel namin, that's Leonardo Hotel. So yan po yung mga nakikita natin naman, pinagkukunan na lang natin ng video. Might be makatulong din sa ibang mga kasamahan natin when they're going to be booked by the office pag they're going to fly back home or going in sa my here in UK, especially here in Aberdeen. So yan, dandahan ng dumarating yung mga kasamahan natin, and bali ang plano namin dyan, it's around 7 o'clock ay start na kaming maglakad papunta ng airport. So kanya-kanyang kanya-kanyang pwesto muna, at yung iba ay katatapos pa lang kumain. So yung iba naman ay talagang medyo maaga pa lang ay kumain na. So ito po yung view ng nilalakaran namin papunta sa may international airport. It's just a few meters away from the international airport, at talagang nilalakad na lang namin. So kung nakikita po ninyo, yan na po yung hotel premises, I mean the airport premises. At ito po ay dito na tayo sa may loob ng international airport, and yung yung gate natin ay hinihintay na lang natin na magbukas to start accepting para sa mga magche-check-in. So yan po.